We will now go over the toolbar. It provides several features that can assist you. First, we have this icon that looks like a blank page. This is the New File button, and it does exactly what you think, which is it creates a new file for you. The folder icon will open a file. The floppy disk icon will save your current file. The box icon will give you a printed preview of your current stack. The printer icon will print your current project and even provide options on your page setup. This cube button will save a graphic of your stack in a supported format. This button will allow you to export your stack to a 3D file. Please note that this will not be a smart model, meaning it is not parametric and will simply show your 3D model. Therefore, it will not be a true parametric CAD model. These shaded and outlined boxes can provide different camera angles of the stack you are working on. It's worth noting that the front view is best suited to view your dimensions from. You are able to click this button to copy it to your clipboard. This will take an image of the stack, allowing you to paste the image in other apps such as Microsoft Word. Clicking on the hammer icon will rebuild the solution. This is useful if you updated the dimensions but the 3D model did not update. It will refresh the graphic with the updated information. These two cylinder icons are the parallel and perspective views. Click on one or the other will change the perspective of the stack if needed. These box icons will change the shape and outline of your stack. You can select whichever one you are most comfortable with.